guys. This is my third. What's today? What's today? Don't mind all this water running down my face. Hi guys. Oh my god. Hi. Yeah, don't mind all this shit running down my. Right now it's my leave-in conditioner. But anyways, I'm walking right now to go and meet this guy named Cahmal. He's the owner of a printing company called CrushPrint, and he's asked me to be one of his selfie queens, or I can't remember. I guess when I see him he'll explain it, but whatever. So I'm gonna go meet up with him to get my stuff that I gotta take my pictures in, and then yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just walking to New York to go and pick up my stuff. And yeah. So he has some t-shirts for me to muggle in. So that's what we're gonna do. I hope he's there because I ain't got no time to be waiting for nobody. And I'm not even a muggler. But I think I just have to take pictures in the products pretty much and promote. So he was looking for cute girls and he saw me and he was like, I want you. I'm like, okay. So, oh my god, let me call this girl. What if I was going into labor or something, right? And say your phone up. Because I don't like a voicemail, you know? I don't like when people leave voice message on my phone. Trust me. Janua. What's it? She's calling back. You're on the vlog. They say, hey. As you can see, and yeah, so I'm gonna go meet up with this guy now and get my shit. All right, hey guys, so I'm back home. Yeah, I'm in my room. I'm currently watching Red Rum and I'm eating some lunch before I take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap. I just got in from meeting with Cahmal from CrushPrint. I'll show you guys a little bit later what it is that I got and talk to you guys a little bit more about that. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my lunch, just take a quick nap before I get up and really start doing what it is that I need to do today. So be back soon. Hey my people, so I'm back. I'm gonna open up my package. I didn't even see what it is that I got, but yeah, so oh, okay. All right, so anyways, this is the bag that my package came in. Yeah, so this is the bag that my package came in. This bag, this bag, you see it? This bag, yeah. And okay, so I guess these are the t-shirts. This looks kind of tiny for me though. Actually, no, it doesn't. Okay, so yeah, again, the company is called CrushPrint. So this shirt says Crush the 6. And yeah, this is what they look like. Is there anything on the back? Nope. And the other one. Hey! Hey! Felicia. Yo, that's my shit. Yo, that's my shit. How do you know though? And it's white and gold. Oh my gosh, I'm so stoked. And that's his logo right there. So I am going to leave a his information in the description box below. He can print on pretty much everything, like cups, plates, backpacks, socks, shirts. He can do friggin' pictures. He can do everything. He does the wall decals for your house, your children's room. So if you want to personalize something and you're looking for something like that, and his prices are very reasonable. So he does the phone cases, he does all of that stuff. So again, I'll leave his information in the description box below, and tell him I sent you, and who knows, maybe you'll get a discount off. I ain't saying that you will, but I'm just saying, tell him I sent you and see, you know. So yeah, pretty much all that I have to do with this is just take a couple pictures in them and comment. So I will do that and keep you guys informed. Yeah, so right now I'm just making some dinner, something simple. You understand me? I'll cook so bully beef and rice. Smells like my rice I burn. Oh my word. Every time I'm talking to you guys, I always burn something. In Jamaica it was my plantain. The other day it was my fish. Now it's my rice. Alright, so that's some stuff. Anytime when you pass my room, you give me something when I can't control. Get it plenty, and I get more. On me, and I get more. Okay. Stop sizzling. I need to do groceries ASAP. I ain't got nothing in this house, so it sucks being sick. So what are you guys up to? Nothing? Oh, yeah? Wow, that sounds great. Just kidding. Yeah. But, that's all for now. I'm gonna go edit a video right now. I got a vlog to edit. And, yeah. Tired, you guys. I'm so tired. I'm just tired from doing absolutely nothing. That makes any sense. But yeah, I'm gonna have a vlog to upload and I have a vlog to edit, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to that, and I'll see you guys later. Maybe I do have to go on the road, so maybe I'll take you with me, maybe not. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. Bye. What you say, I'm okay. What you say, I'm okay.